Today, we're going to take a deep dive into the Uphold Multi-Asset Debit Card. If you've been looking for a card that allows you to spend both cryptocurrency and fiat currency seamlessly, this card might be on your radar. But before you decide whether to get it or not, let's go through the key features, terms, and the fine print that you absolutely need to know. First, let's talk about what makes this card stand out. The Uphold Debit Card gives you access to over 30 different assets, including cryptocurrencies and traditional fiat currencies, like USD or Euro. Whether you're buying a cup of coffee with Bitcoin or paying for an online purchase in dollars, this card allows you to switch between different types of assets without having to carry multiple cards. The flexibility is a huge selling point. Next, let's dive into some of the advantages. The card integrates directly with your Uphold wallet, meaning you can use your assets without the need to first transfer them to a separate debit account. It's simple, and all your balances are available at your fingertips. Another benefit is the card's real-time conversion rate feature. When you make a purchase, the card instantly converts your chosen asset into the needed currency, saving you the hassle of manual conversions. However, it's not all perfect. One of the key downsides is the fees. While the card doesn't have a monthly fee, it does come with various transaction fees depending on which currency you're using. There's a foreign transaction fee if you use the card outside of your home country, and certain conversion fees if you're frequently swapping between currencies. Now, on to some more specifics of the terms of service. The card is currently only available in select countries, so make sure you check that it's offered in your region before signing up. Additionally, transaction limits apply, and there are restrictions on daily spending and withdrawals. These limits are important to note if you plan on using the card for high-volume transactions or travel.as for the cost. There's no annual fee for the card, but watch out for those hidden costs we just talked about. Conversion rates between crypto and fiat can fluctuate, so it's essential to stay on top of your transactions to avoid any surprises. Despite that, the transparency of real-time conversions at the point of sale is a definite advantage, especially compared to traditional bank cards. So, is the Uphold Multi-Asset Debit Card worth it? It depends on your needs. If you're someone who actively uses cryptocurrency and wants an all-in-one solution for both crypto and fiat spending, it's a solid option. However, if you're primarily using it for everyday transactions in a single currency, you may find the fees outweigh the benefits. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Stay tuned for more in-depth reviews of the best financial tools for both fiat and crypto. See you next time.